Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix the OBS encoding overload error. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your OBS app and you'll see the main interface. In the upper left corner of the screen, click on File, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This will open up the configuration window where you can make all the necessary adjustments to resolve the encoding overload issue. Once you're in the settings window, look at the left panel and click on Output. This section controls how OBS processes and saves your recordings and streams, which is directly related to the encoding overload problem. Now navigate to Output mode at the top of this window. Right beside it, you'll see a drop-down menu. Click on it and select Advanced. This gives you access to more detailed settings that can help optimize your encoding performance. Next, click on the Recording tab at the top of the Settings panel. This is where you'll configure the specific recording settings that can reduce the strain on your system. Click the drop-down menu beside Recording Format and select Matroska Video MKV. This format is more efficient and can help prevent encoding issues during recording. Now click the drop-down menu beside Video Encoder. This is one of the most important settings for fixing encoding overload because it determines what hardware handles the encoding process. If you're using an NVIDIA GPU, select NVENS H264 or NVENS AV1. If you're using an AMD GPU, select AMD HWH 264/AVC, and if you're using an Intel GPU, select QuickSync H264. It's important to avoid X264 if your CPU struggles while gaming, as this option puts all the encoding work on your processor. Since I'm using an AMD GPU, I will select AMD HWH 264/AVC. In the left sidebar, click on Video. This section allows you to adjust your resolution and frame rate, which can significantly reduce encoding load. Look for Output Scaled Resolution and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select 1280x720. Lowering your resolution decreases the amount of data OBS needs to process, which helps prevent overload errors. Now navigate to Common FPS Values and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select either 30 or 60 FPS depending on your preference and system capabilities. In the left sidebar, click on Advanced. Navigate to Renderer and click the drop-down menu right beside it. Then select Direct 3D11. This rendering option is more stable and can help prevent encoding issues on most systems. Once you've made all these changes, click Apply in the bottom right corner and then click OK to save your settings and close the window. Now we need to adjust OBS's priority in Windows. In the bottom left corner of your screen, click the Start or Windows icon, then type Task Manager and click Task Manager from the search results. When Task Manager opens, click the Details tab at the top. Scroll down until you find OBS64.exe in the list, then right-click on it. Hover your mouse over Set Priority, and from the submenu that appears, select Above Normal. This tells Windows to give OBS more processing priority, which helps prevent encoding overload during recording or streaming. Finally, we'll set OBS to use your high-performance GPU. Click the Start or Windows icon in the bottom left corner, type Graphics Settings, and click on it from the search results. In the Graphics Settings window, click Browse. Navigate to your computer folder, select the OBS Studio installer, and click Add. Your OBS will now appear in the list. Click on it, then click Options. In the window that appears, click the circle beside High Performance, then click Save. This ensures that Windows uses your dedicated GPU for OBS instead of integrated graphics. And that's it. You've now optimized OBS to eliminate encoding overload errors by adjusting your encoder settings, lowering resolution, setting process priority, and ensuring high-performance GPU usage. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.